morning, children. Welcome to online class. Children, in previous class, I taught you about money and today I will teach you about time. That means today's our topic is time. So first, I explain you what is time. Time is ongoing sequence of events taking place, that is the past, present and future. In mathematics, time can be defined as the ongoing and continuous sequence and events that occurs in succession from the past through the present to the future. The basic units of time is second. Basic unit of time is second. Okay, that is the second is a basic unit of time. Basic unit of time. There are also minute, hour, days, weeks, months and year. In short, time is defined as the duration in which all things happen. In short, time is defined as the duration in which all things happen. To find out the time, we use watch or clock, and time is measured in minute, second, hour. Students, first you see here the table of the time, that is 1 hour, that is equal to 60 minutes. In verse you can write 60 minutes, that is equal to 1 hour. Next, 1 minute, that is equal to 60 seconds, or 60 seconds, that is 1 minute. Same way, 1 day, that is equal to 24 hours, and 1 month, that is equal to 30 or 31 days. Same way, 1 year, that is 365 or 366 in a leap year. That is the table of time. 1 hour, we remember 1 hour, that is 60 minutes. You say 60 minutes, that is equal to 1 hour. 1 minute, 60 seconds. 60 seconds, that is equal to 1 minute. 1 day equal to 24 hours. 1 month is 30 or 31 days. 1 year is 365 or 366 when year is leap year. Okay. Now students, in this chapter time, we will learn how to change the higher unit to lower unit. That means how to convert the minute to second, hour to minute. One question I am taking from your book is given here. Change the following 8 minutes to seconds. Change the following. 8 minutes to seconds. Students, in previous class I told you if when you will change from the higher to lower, that times what symbol we have to use? We have to use multiply. You have to use multiply. Okay, and from lower to high, that times we have to use divide. Okay, now here minute and second, in tables I explain you 1 minute, that is equal to 60 seconds. Minute, then you have to write here, since 1 minute, that is 60 seconds. 60 seconds. Minute is higher and that is seconds is the lower unit. So from higher to lower, what we have to do? We have to multiply and so 1 minute is 60 seconds, then 8 minutes, that is 8 into 60 seconds. 8 6 are 48 seconds. That is your answer. Same way, another question I am taking from your book, that is the change 240 seconds to minute. 240 seconds to minute. What is the question? 240 seconds to minute. Students, decreasing order I am writing, see here, hour, minute and second. That is the largest, larger and that one is the smallest. So see here, 240 seconds to minutes means seconds to minutes means lower to higher. You have to convert the lower unit to higher unit. At that times what symbol we have to use? We have to use divide. We have to use divide. Okay. So see here, first you write 60 seconds. How to write? See here, seconds, that is equal to 1 minute. Then 1 second, that is equal to 1 by 60 minute. Okay. And then 240 seconds, that is 1 by 60 multiply 240. Then you write here minute. That is 240 by 60 minute. Reduce this number, 64 za. 64 za. That means 4 minutes. That is the way to solve. But keep in your mind, when you are changing from the lower to higher, that times you have to use the symbol divide and you have to divide it by 60. Divide it by 60. Why? Because 60 seconds, that is equal to 1 minute. And 1 second, 1 by 60. And how much you have to find here? 240 seconds. So then you have to divide 240 divided by 60. Then it will be the 4 minutes. Answer will be the 4 minutes. So, students, now one more question I am taking from your book, that is the how many months will be there in 90 days. How many months will be there in 90 days? You know, in 1 month is 30 days, I told you. That is the hour, minute, second. Same way you write here month, then day and then hour. Month, day, hour. And here you can write year also. Year, month, day and hour. That is the in decreasing order I written here. Year, month, day, hour. 1 year, 12 months, 1 month, 30 or 31 days, 1 day, 24 hours. So you write in your copy also, this order you write in your copy because it is easy for you to see lower unit and higher unit. And this one is the okay. Now what I told you, change how many month will there in 90 days. 90 days and you have to change it into month. you have to change it into month. See here, days are given 90 and you have to convert it into month, means from lower to higher. That means what you have to do, you have to divide from lower to higher, you have to divide it. And you know 1 month is 30 days, so you divide it by 30. 90 divided by 30, then it will be the month. That is 3 months. That is the 3 months. So students, these are the way to solve days to hour and months to days. Now see how to add hour minutes together. Suppose one question I am taking from your book, add. Add. What is the question here? 2 hour 30 minutes and 4 hour 45 minutes. Question is here, add 2 hour 30 minutes and 4 hour 45 minutes. Students, first we arrange this number in addition form. Here 2 hour 30 minutes and 4 hour 45 minutes. Give the symbol plus. Write here minute, minute. Write here minute. And 0 plus 5, 5. 4 plus 3, 7. Write here hour. 4 plus 2, 6 hours. See here, students, see here. First you write, add as it is. Simple, like a simple addition you add here. And after then see. Here 2 terms is given, hour and minute. Both are given here. See here, if minute is equal to 60 or more than 60, then what you have to do? You have to give the 1 hour to this number. Add. See here, 675. Can you write here? 66 hour. And this one is the 60 plus 15. Yes or no? Minute. That means 60. That means 1 hour. 1 hour. 1 hour is carried and that 1 hour will be add here. Okay. So you add this one to here and write 6 plus 1. That is 7 hour. And what is left here? 15 minutes plus 15 minutes. Say 7 hour 15 minutes. What is left here? Minutes. 15 minutes. 1 hour 15 minutes. Same way, subtract. Subtract 7 hour 45 minutes from 9 hour 25 minutes. Students, when in question is written, subtract 7 hours 45 minutes from 9 hour 25 minutes. So first work is here, we have to arrange the number. We have to write the numbers in subtraction form. Okay. So what is written after the from? First you write that number. Here 7 hours 45 minutes. From this number you have to subtract this number from 9 hours to 9 hours 25 minutes. So first you write this number. After the from, what is written you have to write on the top. So what you have to write here? 9 hours 25 minutes. Okay. And in the down you have to write 7 hours. And what is written here? 45 minutes. Write here and see and give the minus symbol. Okay. See here, 5 minus 5, 0 is okay. 2 minus 4 is not possible. So what we have to do? We have to take carry from here. We will take carry from here 1 hour. What we will take? This one is hour. This one is the hour. So from when here we will take 1 hour. We will take 1 hour. Okay. So but this number is given in the minute. So first what we will do? We will convert 1 hour in minute. So what will we do here? See, we have to add plus 60 to this number, and again you have to write, arrange and write, and this number will be the 8. Now 8 hours, and this one is the 6 plus 2, 85 minutes, and here in the down as it is you write 45 minutes. Okay, subtract this one, minute, 5 minus 5, 0, 8 minus 4, 4, and hours, and 8 minus 7 is 1. That means 1 hours 40 minutes. That is the answer. So these are the way to add and subtract time. And so students, your time chapter is over, and next class I will teach you billing and the perimeter. Billing and perimeter.